What's the common problem with typical living rooms? Few days after placing bulky sofas with throw pillows, it's guaranteed that you'll find under it a stockpile of stuff and dirt. A heavy center table adds to the dilemma. Children's toys are scattered everywhere. Oh no. Wife accidentally broke a toy. The husband panicked and drove his tow truck straight to their house. Now the room is cleaned up, time to redesign. Chop some wood and turn it into a sofa base. Angry apes demand that you replace those trees you cut. Elevate the balcony by filling it up with bricks. Cover it with cement and then with wood veneer. Pop in a multipurpose cabinet. Put a chair and it's now a digital workspace. Stick wood veneers on both sides. Turn a wood plank into a step. Looks neat, right? Build backboard frames, then slide some cushion pads on it. It's now a comfortable sofa backrest. Best part is having customized soft cushions with ventilation features. Throw in some throw pillows. Put drawers at the bottom. Store inside anything that you rarely use. Fill the other drawer with broken toys. Make a side cabinet. Keep inside it stuff that you hardly ever use. Put doors so it won't turn into a lizard lounge. Mount a bookshelf above it. Hide in there those outdated encyclopedias from the 70s. Make another cabinet. Turn it to a museum of empty bottles of expensive wine that you can't afford to buy anymore. Stick your favorite wallpaper. Make sure there's a modern power hub for your gadgets. Before moving on to the next step, take some time to eat and be merry. The wife suddenly becomes the prima ballerina. Having a mini library is always a good idea because visitors will perceive you as intelligent. Put glass doors to prevent spiders from claiming the area. On the other side, build a tall cabinet. This is where you show off your prized selection of instant coffee. Purchase a small table online. Have a coffee shop vibe at home. Screw some angle bars on the wall, then install a floating cabinet. Put drawers for storing internet routers and whatnot. Hang the TV above it and start binge watching all my videos. Talk about a living room makeover. It went from being a dying space to one that truly lives up to its name. A living room to die for.